How to add watermark in Openshot. Protect your content or brand it with style. Here's how to add a watermark in Openshot. First, create a PNG image of your logo or watermark with a transparent background. Import it into your project files. Now drag the image to a track above your main video on the timeline. Resize it by right-clicking and selecting Transform, or use the Scale and Position properties in the Properties panel to place it in a corner. Want to fade it slightly? Adjust the alpha property to reduce opacity without losing visibility. You can also animate the watermark fade in, slide in, or pulse using keyframes on position and alpha. What kind of watermark do you use? Logo, username, or social handle? Share it in the comments below. And once placed and styled, preview your video, then export. Your watermark will appear throughout. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.